and Islamic financial institution needed to be more emphasized on the proper marketing methodology. There are two aspects of Islamic banking and finance, as my brother Mia has pointed out. One is corporate governance, and second is ethical values. The lot of literature, regulations and standards are very clearly available on ethical values of Sharia related to Islamic banking and finance. But the modern corporate governance and how to adopt it in accordance with Sharia rulings, this is a challenge that is in front of the Sharia scholars. And Sharia scholars required to work more on that issue. The second question that was raised by our guest from USA, that Islamic banking and financial system is value driven by, and the other financial system is value neutral. I think even the presently followed capitalist financial system is not value neutral, because that is based on the social responsibility, freedom of entrepreneurship with social responsibility. And this was the discussion that started in the financial market and in investment and overall economic system after Second World War, that every economic policy should be based on social responsibility, any freedom of investment, freedom of entrepreneurship, freedom of conducting every type of business is pre-attached with the social responsibility. And the same is in Islamic values related to banking and finance. In Islamic values of Islamic banking and finance, there is a due importance for the Prophet, but the society is coming first and the Prophet is after the society.